guys, today I'm here with the vlog of December. Why is it dark here? Let me come. Oh, okay, now it's better. Well, this is my third vlog, I guess. Actually, it's been like more than 2 months that I decided to record a vlog each month of my routine life, and that's because I got my first 1000 view on my first vlog, and actually I think that you guys like it. So, and actually I like it myself too, you know. My normal videos are just talking, and having a difference once in a while is actually fun for myself too. If you want to see the Christmas in Germany, where I live, skip the first two parts of this video. The first two sections are just about my routine life. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't skipped yet, we've just got 300 subs on this channel. Maybe it doesn't sound like much on paper, but imagine 300 people in one place. That's huge. So thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate you. Why? Ah, what a rain out there. I got my new book for Germany. Actually, as I was just starting, I was reading this book, A1, but I've almost finished it, like 10 pages remained. And I got this book, which is A2. How many pages is it? Oh, almost the same page. There's another paper too. What is it? I think this is just poster stuff. I live in a dormitory and it's small. I don't have enough space. They gave us these shelves. This wall was all covered, but they made me feel like I live in a prison. So I had to remove half of them, but there was no other way. I should have bring these back. I felt better about this decoration since I saw Casey Neistat movie, but there's a little difference, and that is Casey Neistat doesn't live in such a room. I do. Back in my hometown, Tehran, I was feeling full of energy, and over the past 2 years which I've been living here, I couldn't figure out why. Well, of course in Tehran I have my family, my friends, streets that I've grown up in, but still I have to fake that feeling here too. Just the other day I realized that in Tehran I had a car, and that moving to wherever I want, you know, Tehran is a big city with beautiful streets, and that moving helped me to feel that pure freedom. I'm sure that right now I don't have any time for getting my driving license, and that's why I was considering a skateboard, not a bicycle, a skateboard. I've only had a skateboard only once in my life, a long time ago, and I'm not sure if I can stand on it anymore. So I have to start with a cheap training skateboard to see if I can actually do it. I grabbed this one. As you can see, it's super beginner friendly. I mean, look at the wheels. Look at them. And let's try it. I record while skateboarding. Yeah, when I push it, it doesn't go that much far, and that's because of its wheels. They are so weak. I practiced with this one for like 1 or 2 months, and then maybe I buy one of those boosted boards, the ones who got engines on them and they move by themselves. Well, we are in Frankfurt. One of my friends wanted to come here for an exhibition, and this is my cart. I don't like job exhibitions or any other technical exhibitions at all. At one day in my life, I realized that even if I become a principal engineer in, for example, Microsoft, I still haven't reached that goal yet, that life goal. You know, in places like this, there are a lot of smart people, enthusiast people. It has that energy, but it's not mine, you know? That technical path isn't mine. I think YouTube, at least for now, is fun for me. You know, communicating, making concepts simpler, creating vlogs. Sometimes I think that vlogs nowadays are like paintings in like 200 years ago. I mean, we find it out in like 2 centuries ahead. I don't know. But I feel that art in it, which I like. I'm not good at it, but I feel that energy. So I joined her not because of the job exhibition, but because of the Frankfurt and its Christmas market. You know, maybe I'm old for this stuff because, for example, when I was a bachelor student and I heard for the first time about something like Git, I was like, wow, how fascinating it is, how much creativity is behind this tool. And that enthusiasm continued for like 4 or 5 years. Kubernetes was so fun for me, was so beautiful. But I think I'm old for that. I don't feel that anymore. I have that feeling in YouTube right now. So maybe I should follow that path. But if I see that this interest changes every once in 5 years, then I know there's something wrong. That's my second actually interest. So I think we're good now. And one other thing is that if you're in Germany and you want to come to such exhibitions, in these exhibitions, more companies are looking for full-time employees in German language, most of them. And about talking German in Germany, if you have actually B1 or B2, I think that's enough. The only point is that you could understand and communicate in Germany. And I think, for example, degrees like C1 or C2 is not needed. You just have to be able to understand and communicate. Thanks. Well, we are in Frankfurt's Christmas market. It's way bigger than Bonn's Christmas market, which makes sense because Frankfurt itself is way bigger than Bonn. I'm having my hot chocolate with cream on it. Actually, the cream has gone. I ate it. Frankfurt gives me much more of city vibe. You know, Bonn doesn't because Bonn is not a big city. Well, it's a lovely city, as you can see, and sometimes I think with myself to come and live here after my graduation. I'm not sure why my gimbal got too shaky. It was really hard to watch, so I just cut it out. It wasn't important anyways. I was just talking about moving to Frankfurt after graduation, maybe.
Meine Frau bitte mal. Das ist das gleiche Wort.
Was gar nicht. Ja, dunkle oder helle? Helle.
Stick paper.
Ich esse eine.